Hello everybody, welcome to IT Skills channel. My name is Aiden. In today's video, we're going to take a look at Microsoft Copilot Lab. This is going to be a comprehensive lab where you can learn anything about Copilot, how to generate effective prompts, to coming up with ideas on how to ask Copilot your concerns, and hopefully Copilot can help you generate a response that you are proud of. And in this case, we're going to talk about what's Copilot Lab. Copilot Lab helps user get started with the art of prompting. It will help organization with onboarding, adoption by a single experience that meets Copilot users, no matter where they come from, where their journey might be. Copilot Lab is not just a prompt place; it's actually a library of comprehensive learning that helps everyone gain the Copilot experience they desire. They can watch videos, they can do anything else. It consolidates the best of resources, including training, videos, ready made prompts, inspiration from the internet, internal practice, best practice. Basically, think of this as a hub for anything that's Copilot and generative AI. You don't have to necessarily use the prompt on just what do you call on the Copilot itself. You can use it on any AI platform. You can use it on ChatGPT, Google Burr. You can use it in Meta. You can use it anywhere else. But it's a good way to learn how to actually get AI to work for you. A lot of people have this misunderstanding about AI, thinking that AI is just gonna help you become the best at doing your work. You have to know how to utilize AI. You have to know how to give the command to AI, and this is what this is all about. Without giving the proper commands, this AI tools that we have today are not, sentient, meaning they're not, intelligent enough. They need your help to give you to so they can give you what you ask for it. When AI becomes sentient, then that's when we need to be afraid because that's when they can start to make decisions for you. They can it's almost start to act on their own. Right now, AI cannot act on its own. They still pre-trained. There's still a lot of hand holding going on, meaning that a lot of data that AI is getting fed, especially with a large language model LLM, with like the likes of ChatGPT and Microsoft Copilot or other AI tool that uses large language, they're all pre-trained with a large amount of data. They're talking about billions of data. But once the AI becomes sentient, then AI is going to learn on its own and it's going to start to act on its own. So that's the day where we should be all afraid. But right now, this AI enough today, it requires us. That's why we need to talk about prompts. So what is prompts?
Microsoft Copilot will help you achieve things like never before. All you need is a prompt. And a prompt is simply how you ask Copilot to do something for you. Summarize this paper into 3 key points. That's a prompt. Add slides for visiting Waikiki and Diamond Head to this presentation. That's a prompt. Draft an email to the boss asking to replace our broken printer. Please write in a professional tone and suggest alternative solutions. You got it. You can put a little or a lot into a prompt. All you need is a clear goal. Most prompts you give Copilot will probably fit into one of these 5 categories. Create. Say you want a quick first draft of a document, presentation, or email. Edit. Maybe you need to add a new slide in PowerPoint or have Copilot rewrite a Word doc in a different tone. Understand. If your Excel chart could use a visual explainer or to identify key arguments in a doc. Ask. Maybe there's a specific detail that Copilot can help find. A name, a date, or reference to an old project. Finally, catch up. To get up to speed on that Microsoft Teams meeting you missed, or for help with an overwhelming Outlook inbox. Copilot to the rescue. Keeping these 5 categories in mind will help kickstart ideas for prompting Copilot. And that first prompt is really just the start of a conversation. Follow up with Copilot to edit a long paragraph down, add more details, or simply regenerate a new result. Remember, all a prompt needs is a clear goal, but the more details and direction you can provide, the better Copilot can meet your needs. Pretty soon, you'll be prompting like a pro.
So when it comes to prompts, well, you need to be able to first of all understand exactly how to use programs. So we're gonna go to the AKA/MS/Copilot Lab website, and we're gonna take a look at the prompts. Let's do this. So I have this pulled up anywhere, somewhere else, and I'm gonna pull up the prompts. Here it is. So here is the AKA/MS/Copilot Lab, and I have to duplicate the screen because this is definitely not bringing it the way I like it. The website is going to be aka.ms/Copilot Lab. Once you go to the website, you're going to see something like this. You're going to see start your Copilot journey. So let's take a look at the first. This is the introduction to Copilot. If you click on here,
You get things done. Built to boost your productivity and spark creativity. It's your everyday AI companion, ready to lend a hand in Microsoft apps and services you already know. Here, over here, yep, and here. A great place to start? Copilot.microsoft.com. Copilot can help you create in so many ways. Coding a website, writing a paper, or a bedtime story, personalized for a special 5-year-old. Ooh, I like that. Then you can bring that imagination to life. Cool. Copilot can do some amazing things at work too, like helping you get caught up after a 2-week vacation, call out any action items for me, or to quickly find answers in a big file. What are the deadlines mentioned in this doc? Nice. Wherever you are, Copilot is ready to lend a hand. And whatever you need help with, know that your data is protected. Copilot only has permission to see and use what you have permission to see and use. Change the way you get things done with Copilot. Jumpstart on everyday tasks with Microsoft Copilot, your everyday AI companion. It's ready to help you create, edit, ask, catch up, and understand just about anything. Let's see how Copilot in Outlook can help you draft an email. Select Draft with Copilot and share some guidance. Thank Mrs. Ramirez for my child's progress report and ask for a follow-up meeting. Let's change the tone to formal and go. You can always edit it to make it sound more like you before you send. Missed a meeting in Microsoft Teams? Copilot can get you caught up fast. Select a meeting chat and cap. There's everything you need to stay in the know. You can even ask Copilot questions about the meeting. What dates and deadlines were mentioned? And once you're caught up, Copilot can help you prepare for the next one. What's the latest from Wanda Howard? Organized by emails, chats, and files. These are just a few ways Copilot can help you achieve more every day. And if you need a bit more inspiration, just check out down here. You'll see all kinds of prompts you can ask and save favorites for later. There are even more ideas and tips at the Copilot Lab website, like how to get the most out of your prompts. Explore what's possible with Copilot. Faster with Microsoft Copilot. Copilot is available just about everywhere you are. Right here in Bing, the Edge browser, in apps like Word, PowerPoint, Microsoft Teams. You can get it on your phone too. Let's start at copilot.microsoft.com and see how it works. Just type a prompt, which is like a conversation starter, to ask Copilot a question or tell it what you need. Say we want to do some brainstorming. I'll hit send. There you go. 10 ideas. Keep the conversation going to get more of what you want. Help me brainstorm some chapter ideas. Copilot remembers the context of our conversation. You can always select New Topic down here if you want to start fresh. These are pretty good. To use Copilot at work, sign in with your Microsoft 365 account. You can see up here we're toggled to work. Now, Copilot can access your Microsoft 365 data, like emails, files, chats, and meetings, to help build more relevant answers. You can switch back to web with just a click. Back to work. Watch how it can boost your productivity. list my 5 most recent unread emails, summarize the discussion, and highlight any that are waiting for action from me. That was pretty cool. And if you're away from your computer, Copilot can lend a hand right on your phone. All right, let's get the key points from this file. Unlock new ways to work with Copilot by your side.
So far, you can see that it's amazing URL, amazing site for learning Copilot or in general any AI. And I recommend you guys go to here and start to understand how to, utilize Copilot. You can download Prompt Effective Toolkit. I believe this is gonna do is gonna show you the science and art behind prompts. It's really amazing URL or resource for you to learn AI. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a like, subscribe if you haven't already.